Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Circle to search on iPhone with Chrome or Google Apps. So simply, at first install your Google Chrome. Now I'm already installed, and go to search option, search it to anything like okay. So as you can see, showing you to three dot, just click on, and then showing you to search screen with Google Lens. Just open this and select image or text, like I'm select image circle, and then provide more in this related, and the same I'm using text. So that's how you can easily use this feature.